A dependable and continuous point-of-sale system is critical for business success in today's fast-paced retail industry. However, intermittent internet connectivity issues or unreliable networks can cause sales processes to be disrupted and have a negative influence on client satisfaction. To address this issue, Shopify POS provides a novel solution: offline mode. Shopify POS enables shops to continue serving their customers effortlessly by allowing them to process transactions and save data even when no internet connection is available. In this video, we'll look at the relevance and benefits of offline mode in Shopify POS, as well as how it may help transform retail operations. Uninterrupted sales. The retail industry operates in a wide range of venues, from busy metropolitan centers to isolated places with inadequate internet access. In such cases, the traditional reliance on an internet-based POS system can be a significant impediment. This constraint is removed by using the offline mode in Shopify POS, allowing retailers to conduct business regardless of network availability. Retailers can use offline mode to execute transactions, take payments, and issue receipts even when an internet connection is unavailable or inconsistent. This feature guarantees that sales activities run efficiently, with minimal downtime and maximum income potential. Customers can finish their purchases without being interrupted, resulting in a great shopping experience and customer satisfaction. Security and data synchronization. Offline mode in Shopify POS features sophisticated data syncing capabilities in addition to basic transaction processing. When an internet connection is restored, Shopify POS instantly syncs offline sales data with the central system, guaranteeing that no data is lost. This continuous synchronization ensures that shops always have correct and up-to-date sales data. Data security is a major concern for businesses, and Shopify POS's offline mode efficiently addresses this issue. While offline, the system securely retains sales data on the smartphone, maintaining the security of critical customer information and transaction details. Offline mode reduces the risks associated with data breaches and unauthorized access by reducing the dependency on constant internet connectivity. Mobility and flexibility. The freedom that offline mode in Shopify POS provides retailers is one of its key benefits. It frees them from the limits of being confined to a specific spot with consistent internet connectivity. Retailers can take their business wherever and offer customers without limits, whether it's a pop-up shop, a trade fair, or an outdoor event. The mobility component of offline mode enables retailers to contact with clients face-to-face and give a personalized buying experience. They can move around the store or event space with ease, serving customers, displaying products, and processing transactions on the fly. This innovative method boosts customer involvement and brand loyalty. Furthermore, Shopify POS's offline option is very useful for enterprises with several locations. In the event that a single store loses connectivity, retailers can smoothly convert to offline mode without interrupting the full sales process. This adaptability ensures that business activities continue unaffected by individual retail connectivity issues. Insights and inventory management. Inventory management is an important component of retail operations, and the offline mode in Shopify POS contains powerful capabilities to meet this demand. Even when the system is turned off, retailers may continue to track inventory levels, generate sales statistics, and manage stock. This functionality prevents stock discrepancies and ensures that shops always have precise inventory visibility. Furthermore, offline mode enables shops to acquire useful data about customer behavior and sales patterns even when internet connectivity is limited or non-existent. When an internet connection is available, this data may be evaluated, allowing businesses to make informed decisions about product assortment, marketing methods, and inventory replenishment.